Now here we are on the couch again. Hopefully you're going to be off the couch soon with these stretches and strengthening that I'm sharing with you. The next one, we're going to go and we're going to again put our hands out, crisscross them, interlace our hands, and then pull back with your shoulders, keeping your head up and neutral, and release. Again, down and back. This is a strengthening for your traps, mid-back and lower neck. And release. Hold for 5 seconds, breathing them down, back, and hold. Don't forget to breathe.